All right, so now we're up here on the ladder. I'm taking a look at this taping job, and it's just terrible. I mean, you see what they tried to do here. The drywall panels are not even, right? Like, look, it's literally like a ½ inch off. So instead, we'll just stick a whole bunch of tape in here and lather the mud over. So that's why all this is cracked, because they lathered it way too much mud. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, because this is how they cut it? You gotta be kidding me. Oh my God, this is a disaster. This is literally just a disaster, all of this. Wow. Not even adhered. It's not even adhered to the drywall because they rushed this in. Okay, so it looks like this is somewhat flush here. That's doable. All that's doable. But where it goes downhill is over here. This piece is just not flush at all. I mean, you can see the gap. It's terrible. So all this mud's gonna be chipped away. I'm gonna have to actually pull this back. Actually, there's some mesh tape in here. What are these, repair pieces of drywall? Like, look, there's some mesh tape, which I don't seem to understand. Why there's mesh tape when there was never mesh tape here. Also, look at the way the screws are driven in. Not even in proper at all. I mean, seriously? You should be ashamed. It's like, why even bother? Why even make the mess for somebody like me to have to come clean up if you don't know what you're doing? Because, I mean, this is just bloody. I don't want to tear too much of this tape off. But this is just bloody terrible. I'm sorry. I'm very frustrated right now. Very disappointed at whoever repaired this, because it's just, all this needs to be chipped away. I mean, this is just a mess. I know it's a garage, but I don't sacrifice quality for anything. I mean, this is just peeling right off. It's not even attached properly. The mud wasn't even allowed to adhere to the tape. Okay, well, stay tuned for more. There's a nail pop right there. That screw's way too overdriven. Wow. All right, stay tuned for more, please.